Do you guys even remember what your lives were like before the lockdown? Personally, I don't. I've actually grown to like the work from home news edition that we bring to you, and we have a lot of good news to share with you today. So let's dive into your weekly dose of positive, wholesome, non-negative, not-for-profit, legitimate headlines. Well, you get the point. Lockdowns are imposed worldwide and everybody is staying at home. While the world waits to get over this crisis, a new report has been generated that states that the pollution levels have fallen to a record low in 10 major global cities. The report examined PM 2.5 levels of pollution in these cities and compared them to last year's and found out that the levels have dropped to about 60%. Not only this, but the Delhi Pollution Control Committee revealed that the pollution levels in Yamuna have dipped to 30% and the wastewater quality has improved by 80%. Low-level pollutions and a healthier earth is surely a positive that we're going to take from this lockdown. Okay, say Hawaii. What you imagine are exotic locations and beautiful beaches. However, now it is also the first state to propose what it is calling a feminist economy recovery plan. The state is using this opportunity to develop an economic plan that is capable of delivering gender equality. Some of the recommendations include universal basic income, women with disabilities and sex trafficking survivors, and a $24.80 per hour minimum wage for single mothers. It is wonderful to see governments acknowledging gender equality and taking a step towards it. If successful, it can be a model for other governments throughout the world. Animals were one of the most affected during the coronavirus crisis. A lot of rumors swirling around that animals can cause COVID-19, a lot of people gave up their furry pets. Although this piece of good news will surely prove the fact that dogs are purely full of love. A medical charity in England is now attempting to train dogs to identify the smell of COVID-19. The aim is to train dogs to screen anyone, even people with asymptomatic symptoms. In the past, dogs have been known to detect and smell cancer, Parkinson's disease, and even recently malaria. If they can be trained to detect the smell of coronavirus, it will be great. We told you last week that our lockdown efforts are paying off, and they continue to do so. Not only this, India has crossed a lakh of coronavirus tests this week and has reported the fewest number of positive cases in comparison to UK, US and Italy. Since the lockdown, the government has ramped up its testing by 24 times and still the percentage of positive cases remains the same. The underwater system of the Great Barrier Reef, which is the third biggest reef in the world, has been in danger since 2014. This is mainly because of the major outbreaks of the stony coral tissue loss disease. However, scientists from Florida may have made a discovery that could help conservationists restore its former glory. They have pioneered reproducing rigid cactus coral in human care. This is one of the most common species of coral currently populating the Florida Reef Tract, and this piece of positive news in future will be a great help for all of the coral reefs in the world. Well, that's it for this week, folks. If you know of any other positive information that you think we've missed out on, please put them in the comment section below. Also, do share this with as many people as possible because everybody could do with a little positivity right now. I'm going to go wash my hands again. Stay safe, stay clean, and watch out for another episode of Good News with Binge Daily every Monday. Ashna out.
Thanks for watching Binge Daily. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.